Hey everybody, Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. We're doing a differential service, and I want to show you all one of the many reasons that not only your differential fluid should be changed, but also why most fluids in your car should be changed, okay? So I've already started here, so it's going to go pretty quick, but we're just going to pull the drain plug. It's nice when it has a drain plug, it makes it easier. Pull it out. But what I want you to look at is the drain plug is magnetic. See all that dark stuff? That's metal fibers that are floating around in the differential, suspended in the fluid, and see how much of that? It's all metal. See the fibers on there? Okay, so the magnet's doing a great job, but you got to get the fluid out periodically so that it's nice and clean in there, and we're not using fluid that has metal in it that's going to exacerbate wear in your ring and pinion. Okay, and again, it has to do with all fluids in your vehicle. Even though it's working fine, this is what we call preventative maintenance, right? We do this before it's a problem or to prevent a problem from happening. Okay.